Opportunities don't just come from being capable, they come from being visible. We often believe that if we work hard, we gain the right qualification and build the right skills, opportunities will automatically find us. But in reality, many talented individuals remain unnoticed, not because they lack ability, but because they hesitate to show their potential. Today, I want to talk about why visibility plays a such powerful role in professional growth, especially for students and early professionals. Growing up, many of us were taught to focus only on competence, study well and work hard, and result will follow. While competence is essential, it is no longer sufficient in today's professional world. Think about it, organizations can't recognize talent they can't see. Recruiters cannot select candidates they are unaware of. Opportunities rarely teach those who remain invisible. This is where visibility becomes important not as self-promotion but as professional presence. From an HR perspective, visibility helps create professional identity. When people are aware your ideas, your communication styles, and your approach to work, they begin to associate certain strengths with you. Visibility builds familiarity. Familiarity builds trust, and trust often influences opportunities. In many workplaces, it is not only the most skilled people who grows, but often the person who contributes are visible and understood. Interestingly, marketing teaches us a very similar principles. Even the best product cannot succeed if nobody knows it exists. Value must be communicated to be recognized. In many ways, personal branding works like marketing. It is about consistently communicating your strengths, your perspectives, and your professional value. If people don't know what you can do, they can't choose you. Now, visibility is often misunderstood as showing off, but the two are very different. Showing off seeks attention. Professional visibility creates awareness. It can be as simple as sharing ideas, contributing to decision making, expressing thoughtful opinions, or building a professional presence online. Visibility is not about being loudest person in the room. It is about being present in a mindful way. For students, developing visibility early can be extremely valuable. The transaction from educational to the professional work became smoother when people already have a sense of who you are and what you stand for. Confidence grows when you allow yourself to be seen. Communication improves when you express your thoughtfuls regularly. And opportunities expand when your presence becomes recognizable. Talent prepares you, but visibility connects you to opportunities. So, instead of waiting until you feel completely ready, focus showing up thoughtfully, professionally, and consistently. Because in a professional world, being invisible is often a bigger risk than you being imperfect. Thank you for watching. I hope this encourages you to think differently about professional growth and professional presence. I will see you in my next video.